Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode with me, Soma Mangnani, your love guru, your dating coach, life coach, consciousness coach, and a host of other things. I also do Reiki, I do healing, and I will be putting online a prayer page where you can put in your request for a healing. And I will definitely take it up with you, but you have to leave your name and number as well. So, today I'm going to talk about a much talked about topic in social media and different approaches to it. It's about dating. Dating an younger man or very much older man. Let's talk about this. So many women come to me and they tell me that they're dating a man 15 years younger, 20 years younger, 10 years younger. And many women come and tell me also about the same thing, that they're dating men 10 years older, 20 years older, and 30 years older. First of all, we've got to recognize that there are biological differences between men and women. And people today are talking about the cool quotient, that I'm dating an older woman, and how actually it's not cool. I'll tell you why. If the woman is a little bit older, it's fine. But if she's a lot older, there are a lot of considerations that you need to keep in mind. Biologically, you all are on two very, very different timelines. Okay, a woman in her 40s wants very different things from a woman in her 30s, from her 20s. The priorities are different. And if you're most likely going for an older woman, let's say you're 20, 25, and you're going for a woman who's 30, 35, her priorities at 35 are going to be very different from your priorities at 25. Also, as a man, you're still may not have found your feet, you still may not be financially independent, and that makes a lot of difference if you're thinking long term. You're not going to be able to financially support her if she decides to have a baby. As you grow older as a woman, women do have difficulties in getting pregnant. Of course, all that today can be sorted, and there's nothing really to worry about as such. You can have a child as late as your 50s. But what happens when you're with a partner who's not your equal? Psychologically, most men who go for older women are kind of fearful of responsibility. In the sense, they are the child in the relationship. They are not mature. They're looking for like a mommy figure, someone who'll take care of them, who look after them. They are not equal. They're lesser than the woman, because as you grow older, you get experience, you learn from life. So definitely experience wise, she will be smarter, most likely, ahead of him in a few things. Well, that might be good for in if it's not too much. But if there's too much or of a difference financially, status wise, culturally, you can't overcome every barrier. And when men go for women like this, psychologically they are somewhat looking to escape reality, because in an equal partnership they will have to be responsible, they will have to be the man in the relationship, provide for the lady, do all the right things. But in a relationship when the woman is older, perhaps financially she has taken care of herself in a better way, she may be in a better situation, and you may not have to contribute as a man. So I think a lot of younger men are looking to escape that responsibility, and hence going for women who might be financially better off and able to take care of them. So they are looking for a kind of caretaker instead of them taking care. They can avoid their responsibility as men. And if I think it's the same thing with women who go for a men who are a lot older than them, then they are looking for father figures. They're looking for, again, a sort of escaping from responsibility in a way. They don't have to do that much, because of course an older man will be more impressed and more easy on a younger woman, because she brings youth to the table. But women who are doing this are not looking for a husband to be their equal who they can fight with, but looking for power, which they didn't get from their fathers. Like either they had an absentee father who didn't look after them, so they didn't get to be the child in the relationship. So they are choosing a man who can take care of them, not only financially but like be like a daddy kind of a person. So I guess the term sugar daddy kind of comes from there. So if there's too much inequality in ages, then the relationship can't be balanced. 4 5 years here or there is fine, but too much of that, it creates a lot of inequality in the relationship. If you like my inputs, if you like what I'm saying about relationships, if you feel what I say resonates, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and let me know what are the other topics you would like to have addressed. Thank you for watching, and do come back again. Thank you.